Now we just saw how to post an individual file into your course, but many times it would be very convenient for you to be able to post many documents all at the same time directly into your course. This is done by posting a folder directly into your course, and that folder contain any number of different documents, even different types of documents on the same folder. In this movie, we're going to step through how to post a folder that has a bunch of resources in it for the students to learn how to write their research paper. It'll have included with it Microsoft Word documents, Excel, PowerPoint, Keynote files, and so forth. To begin, make sure you have your editing turned on in the upper right-hand corner, and then go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the Week 1 block. Click the drop-down menu for Add a Resource, and select the item Folder from the list. When the Add a New Folder page opens, we need to first give this folder a name. We'll simply call this Research Paper Resources. Under the description, go ahead and type in a variety of resources for you to use while building your final project. Now go ahead and scroll down a little bit further. In the Contents section, this is where we need to add the folder of contents. Now we could just go ahead and create a folder and add items one by one into it. Or we can go ahead and click the Add button to open up our standard file picker. We'll make sure that we're inside of our Private Files section by clicking on Private Files in the left column, and then go into our BIOL 432 folder so we know exactly where we're at. Now go ahead and click on the Upload a File button, and under the Attachment section, click the Browse button. In the Chapter 6 Exercise Files folder, you'll find a file called researchpaperresources.zip. If you want to know what's inside of this, I've also included a folder in this same chapter that has all of those individual items. Go ahead and select the zip file and click the Open button. Then click on Upload this file. That'll upload the zip file into our course. Click the drop-down menu to the right of the zip file, where you can go ahead and select Unzip. This will unpackage that zip file and have all of the individual documents contained within it. We can go ahead and get rid of the zip file now because it's no longer necessary. So click the drop-down menu next to Zip and choose Delete. Go ahead and confirm that you want to delete it, and now we're just simply left with a folder that has all of the individual documents in it. If we come down to the next section here, Common Module Settings, we can choose whether or not we want this folder of documents to be visible or not to the students. I do want this to be visible for right now, so we'll go ahead and leave it set to show. We're not going to be grading this item, so we're going to leave the ID number blank. Go ahead and click the button for Save and Return to Course, and then when your browser refreshes, it should take you back to the Week 1 block. Go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the block, and here you can see the folder that we just added. Now I'd like to have this folder to appear underneath of the sample final presentation PDF file, so I'll grab the Move tool and drag that up into place, and then go ahead and use the Move Right tool to align the folder with the other items in that list. Now let's go ahead and see how Moodle is displaying all of these documents. Go ahead and click on the folder Research Paper Resources, and now you can see the description that we added up here, the title that we added, and we'll also see a tree structure that shows the name of the folder and all of the contents. Through the file extensions at the end, you can tell that we have a Microsoft Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, a PDF, a Keynote presentation, a PowerPoint presentation, and another Word document. Your students would be able to simply click on one of these items, and their browser would attempt to download that file and open it up for them. Go ahead and hit the Cancel button. You can explore any of those documents if you'd like. Since you're the teacher, you also get a button down here at the bottom that allows you to edit this resource and go back in and make any changes if you need to. Go ahead and go back to the main page of your course by clicking on the BIOL 432 link in the breadcrumbs, and that'll take you back out to the main page. Folders are a great way to publish a lot of documents out to your students very quickly. Instead of having to upload them one by one, don't forget to make a zip file and upload that zip file.